Hey everybody and welcome back. Today I decided I would try a kitchen clean with me. Now I never really wanted to do one of these because they seem like it's a lot of work moving the camera around, and when I'm cleaning I just kind of want to clean and get it over with. But I figured why not. Anastasia was just picked up by my dad, so I had a little bit of free time. I'm just gonna get the kitchen and pantry cleaned up really quick, and then I have homework to do. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is our kitchen. Just randoms, dirty dishes, clean dishes, a bunch of random stuff back here. Counters need to be cleaned off. There's like stuff all over the stove top and the counters, and just things need to be put away. So it is 3:08. I don't know which one I'm gonna show you, just that one. It is 3:08. I don't have a ton of time, like I said, so let's go ahead and get started. I have about 4 assignments to do. But if y'all liked that video, please click the like button. And if y'all would like to subscribe, please hit that button. I am a 25-year-old mom of 2 girls, a 2-year-old and a 5-year-old. I am a college student. I'm finishing my bachelor's in bachelor's of business. I am finishing my bachelor's of business administration in cybersecurity. And I'm just a stay-at-home mom right now. So yeah, if any of that interests you, go ahead and click that red button. If you have any videos that you would like to see or interested in seeing, please comment down below. I'd love to hear what y'all want to see. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.